Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. I'm standing here next to Panda Motorworks Bronco build. Some of you may have seen this in our SEMA booth this year, but I'm going to give you an in-depth look at our SS5 Windshield and Grille CrossLink light bar kits for the 2021 Ford Bronco. These kits feature our brand new SS5 LED pod. Not only are these the highest intensity 5-inch LED pod on the market with up to 90 watts per pod, but with our CrossLink light bar kits for the Ford Bronco, you're able to link 7 pods up top and 6 pods in front of the grille for an absolutely insane increase in light output while off-road. We offer these kits in both our 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow in our combo optic, which combines our driving and flood optics. This will give you a focused beam of light downrange in a 30 by 20 pattern, and then a spread directly in front of the vehicle in a 70 by 30 pattern. Our SS5 CrossLink light bars give you the most customization by being able to create either a curved or a straight light bar. And just like our other Stage Series lights, these feature our interchangeable TIR optics to direct light where you need it most. Along with the high performance of the SS5, you'll have the added feature of 8 selectable backlight options at the flip of a switch without any complicated programming or an added controller. These kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri with a heavy-duty construction in mind, including our single-piece CNC aluminum CrossLink brackets, unlike other options on the market that use multiple pieces between each pod. For an added layer of protection to your SS5s, we do offer our snap-on covers in a variety of color options. If you're looking to pick up an SS5 CrossLink light bar kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.